Wheel liner people, quick question. Why don't you use laser wheel liners? If you do, listen on. If you don't, listen on. I'm guessing you don't use them because you can't have a printout from them. You can now. Exciting. Anyway, come in. This is on. We'll launch your new app if you haven't blurred that out already. So, it's available on Apple, iPad, iPhone, and Android. So you can use it on your mobile devices. Very straightforward app, very straightforward. Everything you need is in there. Once you've registered, or you put all your garage details in, so it prints out on the printout. Customer details, vehicle details there as well for you. Your settings pre and post, and then you print out with a paper. So here's one that we did earlier. So, which is this Disco 4 here, my Disco 4, and got all the details there on the app, all pre-cut in, took 30 seconds, not long. And so we either, same as PDF, so for your customer, you can either WhatsApp it to them as a PDF, you can print it out, email it, send it many different ways, as many as the computer will allow you to. We're going to print this. These are while we're waiting for that, and that's coming. This will do the car, truck, and van, and tractor. Obviously, there's a bus and stuff like that. We're evolving all the time, so keep evolving. Comes with all new SharkEye liners, laser liners for you to use, and if you're an existing customer, you can get in touch and we'll give you a code download free as well, existing customers. So we'll give you 1 year subscription free. It really will help you move forward with your printout, so you've got a record of it, and your customers have got a record as well. Say 30 seconds, Jock's job. Did it earlier, put them in Aster, made a note of them, and off we go. Thank you for watching. I hope it's of use to you. Till next time.